If you're looking for a working Hostinger coupon code, this quick Hostinger review will show you how to get the best deal. Hostinger is currently offering discounts across all of its plans, and when you use my referral link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, you'll receive an additional 20% referral discount automatically at checkout. Hostinger focuses on speed and simplicity. You get fast loading performance, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, light speed servers, and the Hostinger website builder, which makes creating a website quick and easy. If prices aren't showing in your local currency, just click the flag icon in the top right corner and choose your country. The pricing updates instantly. Because of its features and ease of use, Hostinger is often recommended as one of the best web hosting options. So if you want to use the latest Hostinger coupon code and get the extra 20% off on all plans, tap the link below or scan the QR code.